For 100 years, through 5 generations of our family, at the heart of the St Agnes Distillery lies one driving constant: our spirit of excellence. A single-minded, distilled determination to make the world's finest brandy. From humble beginnings on the quiet banks of the Murray River, our entire team are noble custodians of a rich history, legacy and passion for crafting the best Australian brandy that can stand proudly alongside the world's most renowned cognacs and aged spirits. Through world wars, tariffs, trends, raging fires and ravaging floods, our family has endured, capping bottle after bottle to create a legacy that has outlasted generations. From a patchwork of modest corrugated iron sheds in a Renmark paddock to the top shelf of the world's most revered bars, restaurants and retailers. Decades of liquid gold reside here, silent, aging patiently and gracefully before being carefully blended into some of the world's greatest XO brandies. As we celebrate our centenary, our spirit remains truer than ever. We toast to the past, present and future. At the heart of St Agnes lies patience, persistence and an endless pursuit of excellence.